ओम शांति।
प्यारे बाबा के पास वतन में भोग लेकर के पहुंचा।
I went to the subtle region to offer bhog to
जाने
Baba,
के साथ ही
and as soon as I reached there,
बाबा के सामने एक तरफ बाबा ने छोटी बहनों को बिठाया हुआ था,
on one side, Baba had made all these young sisters. On the other hand, I could see the senior brothers,
से भट्टी में आए
those who have come for the intense meditation camp, and
विशेष रूप से शीला बहन जी आ
and in the middle,
उनको बाबा ने
respected Sheila Didi ji was immersed in her standing posture.
कि बच्ची
Baba started telling,
तीनों रूप तीन तरह का दृश्य
there are three scenes
देख रही है।
which are being witnessed at this time.
सबसे पहले
Baba
भाइयों प्रति कहा, विशेष
started
तो बाबा ने कहा
talking on behalf of brothers. Baba said that
बच्चे
all the senior brothers who have come for the intense meditation retreat, all you souls are, they are equal to Brahma Baba.
तो बाबा फिर कहने लगे कि बच्ची जो साकार में
Then Baba said,
ब्रह्मा
Child,
को देखते थे,
those who had
देखने के
the fortune of seeing Brahma Baba,
कई बच्चे ट्रांस में भी चले जाते,
and as soon as this scene was also wonderful at the initial times of the creation of sacrificial fire, that
उन बच्चों को दिखाते
as soon as they see Brahma Baba, they used to,
समय के अनुसार
as soon as they had seen Brahma Baba, they used to go to the trance or the subtle region, and they had multiple visions.
बाबा ने कहा कि
So Baba said,
जहाँ पर जाते हैं,
wherever you children go,
आपकी ड्रेस से तो बेस से भी पहचान
it's quite obvious that
सामने रहती है।
people know about this organization through your white attire and the badge.
जिस प्रकार कपड़े से पहचान है, बैज के द्वारा पहचान है,
So how the people of the world recognize or identify this organization through your
पहचान
dress code or the badge,
विशेष रूप से
in the same way people should also be able to identify you
चेहरे से झलकती थी। बाबा को
through your features, and
कोई भी बात होती थी,
like how the people
सामने फिर वो बात खत्म हो जाती थी।
had that powerful
तो बाबा ने कहा कि
vibrations from the Brahma Baba,
आप निमित्त बाबा के
and as soon as children stood in front of Brahma Baba, they used to be so much peace that they used to forget what was to be asked at that time.
इसी
So Baba
निमित्त बच्चे
has a desire,
बाबा के
or he has a wish that you children's state of mind also should be equal, or it should be the same,
संभाल करने वाले
because you are the ones who are the
से लग रहा था कि
who extend support.
विशेष जैसे कि बड़े भाइयों को भी बाबा ने वतन में
It looked as if all the senior brothers were immersed in the subtle region.
लगे कि ये अच्छा चिन्ह बना के रखा है,
It's a good symbol which is made.
में डाला हुआ है।
Then Baba talked about the ID card.
जिस प्रकार ये भी
It's
पहचान
like a beautiful garland which is made.
पर इस माला के रूप में बाबा बच्चों के अंदर विशेष
बाबा
रूप से गुणों की माला विशेष
So by comparing this ID badge,
और वही बच्चों को
Baba said that he wants to see you children
संभाल करके रखना है।
who have all the virtues
बैठी हुई थी बाबा कहने
which
लगे
form
कि
the garland.
बच्चियां भी
On the other side, Baba looked at the young sisters,
और छोटी बच्चियां भी
and
विशेष बाबा के कार्य में
of course these
सहयोगी बनकर चली हैं,
young ones have become
चल भी रही हैं,
cooperative,
आगे भी चलते रहे
and they are extending their cooperation at this time, and they will do so in future. So Baba was just giving drishti on
जो
to everyone
कार्य बड़े नहीं कर सकते वो छोटे करते हैं,
what tasks
तभी
cannot be
छोटों का
accomplished by the eminent people can be easily finished off by the young ones. That is why the young ones or the small children are always considered as Allah.
दृष्टि डाल रहे थे दोनों तरफ, और बीच में हमारी शीला रंजी को बाबा ने खड़ा किया हुआ है।
And Baba had
तो बाबा
emerged,
जैसे कि
respected Sheila Didi ji in her standing posture, and
गुणों की माला विशेषता
Baba
बाबा ने पहना के रखी थी।
Baba
बाबा ने कहा
had given a beautiful garland of all the powers and virtues or divine qualities,
जैसे बाबा
because that soul
से बाबा के
she
हर एक प्रकार
was the original jewel who had surrendered at the initial times, and
श्रीमद प्रमाण बच्चे
she was the one who used to lead her life as per the Srimad,
इतना बड़ा जोन को भी
and she had that potential or the capacity to manage the subzone,
प्यार से
and
संभाला है।
she had sustained the entire Brahman family with so much love.
तो ऐसे लगा जैसे कि
It looked as if
बाबा का वरदान आज उनके ऊपर भी विशेष
that soul was receiving Baba's blessing.
बाबा छत्र छाया के रूप में
Baba had become a canopy of protection for her.
इसलिए बाबा भी विशेष रूप से छत्र छाया बनकर
She was the main instrument in the expansion of services of that subzone.
के ऊपर भी अपना
That's why
करते रहेंगे, करवाते रहेंगे।
Baba said, Baba will enable the tasks
भोग की थाली रखी थी तो बाबा ने भी
which will be carried out through all the instrument children.
अपना भोग स्वीकार
And the bhog was kept in front of Baba. Baba had offered,
कहा कि बच्ची के तो
Baba made all the children accept the bhog,
मधुबन
and there was the fragrance of the remembrance of Baba and of this land of honey
अंत का
in
बाबा
Sheila
के
Didi ji's,
कहें अपना नया चोला जाकर
in every cell or in her blood.
ऐसे कहते हुए बाबा ने
The soul had, of course, shut the body,
स्वीकार कराया।
and she has taken another costume.
बहुत बहुत से बड़ी
So Baba gave the love and remembrance to all the children, and I came down to this world, physical world, taking his love and remembrance. Thank you. Om Shanti.